Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. For some of you, you know that before coming over to the Manila Cathedral, I was a seminary formator. And once we made a community resolution that the seminarians must only bring a transparent water jug for them to bring every day. Dahil alam naman po ninyong nauso yung mga metallic flasks. Back then, they were using that. But because of an issue, we made an order. Everyone must bring a transparent water container. Alam nyo na po marahil kung anong dinala nila. Bakit namin yun sinabi? And I was even more meticulous. Father, they were asking, can we bring transparent red, orange, green water jugs? But I told them, no, only clear water bottles. Transparency was in a way an issue. Nung nire-resolve kung sino yung nagdala nung liquid na iyon, nagtuturoan. They were even trying to at least water down. Let us have it in colored jug. Medyo nagkakaproblema ulit. Transparency was in a way a problem. But my dear brothers and sisters, in one's Christian life, indeed, the transparency is a challenge. Mahirap magpakatotoo, magpakalinaw sa harap ng tao. But it is a life and it is a grace God has been giving us. For in transparency, it leads us to live happily. David was in front of God, honestly and so transparent in himself in expressing his humility and his gratitude in front of God. At marahil we share the same sentiment that it is a good experience to be honest in front of God. Lord, ang pangit ng araw ko. Lord, ang saya ng araw ko. Lord, I bear this and that. Lord, I need this and that. It is but good and it leads us happily when we are transparent in front of God. But then Jesus also posted this challenge to his disciples that nothing hidden, nothing is secret, for there is nothing hidden except to be made visible. Nothing is secret except to come to light. Hindi lang pala ito isang pagiging malinaw o tapat sa harapan ng Diyos, kundi pagiging tapat din even to our horizontal relations with people. That we also express and extend effort in being transparent, in being honest and truthful to what we are living about, to what's inside of our hearts, to what we need, to what are our concerns, to things that we need to express and extend. Transparency leads us to live happily. And let that be a beautiful grace for us, my dear brothers and sisters, na maging tapat sa harapan ng Diyos at tapat din sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Sa madaming mga taong nais magtago, nais umilalim, nais tumalikod sa liwanag ng katotohanan, may this be a grace for all of us. Living with transparency and living happily because of our honesty and of our sincerity.